Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class I will show you how to create a complete course. Click on this courses over here, then click on add new. Okay, so this is your course page where you just have to write whatever thing that you want to write about your course. So let me just go back and show you all the example of the course, which are example of some course which is present over here. I will say edit. Okay, so this is a course page of this email marketing strategies course, which by default was present on our website previously. So now what we have to do is I will show you how to design your course. So in order to design the course, click on add new, then you will be taken to this page. The first page what we get is this course page. Over here you just have to give the name of your course. So I will say chatbot course over here. Then you have to add the course content. Okay, so as can be seen over here, first on the first line we are having the name of the course. Then this is the shortcode. Okay, the first shortcode is for the visitors are basically the people who have not taken your course. So whenever you visit the course for first time, let me just open this in the new tab. Let me just show you the example. Okay, so let me just come back over here. So this is the email marketing strategies course. If I am going to that course over here, then it is showing me that you're enrolled to this course because I have already enrolled previously. So now let me do one thing. This is not mandatory. Okay, so this is for the visitors. If any user is visiting for first time, you can show them this message that you are not yet enrolled in this course. And this is for students. Okay, like you are enrolled in this course, so basically this code will be shown to the students who are after they have enrolled inside of the course. This is not important. So what as a beginner we don't have to focus on this many things. So what we will do, we will just come over here, and first of all we will give the name of the course as a chatbot course. Then we have to give the course description. I will say course description, and whatever a description of the course that you want to give, you can give that. Just come down below. Then if you want to add something in the list form and all, then you can just click on this, and you can select whatever that you want from here. So if you want to search for a list, click on the list. Then I will say build chatbot. Sequences examples. Okay, so whatever things that you want to add into the description of this course, you can add them, add all those things over here. So first of all I want to add like what will students learn in this course. And if you want to add something extra, then you can do that. Okay, so now let me just explain you all the concept of these shortcodes. So this was the course of email marketing. So I will do one thing. I will open the incognito mode and I will go to my website, email marketing. Okay, so this is that course. I will say see more, and now if I'm scrolling down below, then over here this is the code which is shown to the visitors. I'm visiting this for the first time, and because of this code is shown which says price is free and you're not yet enrolled in this course. Whatever a message that you want to show the visitor, you have to just write that code inside of this short code of the visitors. So this is that particular course. Okay, so it says price is free and you are not yet enrolled in the course. This is the short code. If you want to display this, then do one thing. Go to the top top of this course description, okay, or wherever you want to display it. Let me just click on this, and I will say shortcode. This is the shortcode. I want to add it over here. Okay, and for visitors, let me see what code that is used by these people. Just copy this, paste it over here, and you can just say you are not yet enrolled. Okay, so this will be code shown to the visitors, and okay, so this was basically supposed to come to the top. So click on this top arrow, again click on top. I want to display it over here. Okay, so now this looks fine, and now we have this shortcode for students. So whenever any student is visiting after enrolling into the course, this will be code shown to them. Let me just show you all. If I am logging in over here, let me just log in. Once I log in, that means I am a student, I am enrolled student. So now if I'm just coming over here, it says you are enrolled in this course. Okay, so now this is the message which is shown to the student. So now if you want to show this message, then you have to add the shortcode of student. So I will come over here, and I will click on the add button over here, and I will search for shortcode. I will add the shortcode, and if you want to display some message to the student, then just copy this, paste it over here. So guys, this part of the visitor and the student, this is not important. This is for tutorial purpose I'm showing you all, so don't get confused. So whenever you want to show any message to the student, so the only important part is this square bracket student opening part and the closing part of the square bracket part. Inside of this whatever message that you want to show to the students, you can write that message over here. Okay, so I will say hello student, welcome to the course. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, you don't have to break your head. So basically this code will be shown to the visitors, and this code will be shown to the students. This is the only thing that you have to remember over here. Click on publish. So whenever you make any changes, it is always a good idea to publish your changes, and whatever course description or whatever that you want to show on the landing page. So basically this is the landing page. Okay, so whenever anyone opens the course, this is what is shown. Okay, so this is the image of the course, then this is the course description, and then the course content comes over here. I will show you how to display this course content. Let me just come back over here. Now the next part is about displaying the image. Okay, so if I'm coming over here, I could see the course image over here. If you want to display this course image, then you just have to click on the settings, click on documents over here, just scroll down, and you will see this option of featured image. You just have to click on the set featured image, and whatever image that you want to show on the front page of your course, you have to select that particular image. I want to show this image. I will say set featured image. I will say update, and now I have updated this course. Okay, so chatbot course is available on my website. If I'm just coming over here to my website in the incognito mode, and let me just refresh this, and this is that chatbot course. Okay, so this is that featured image which is used by me, and if I'm just clicking on see more, now I can see the featured image of my course. Then this is the message to the students, which is hello student, welcome to the course. I am already enrolled, so because of which I'm seeing this message. Okay, and then comes the course description. Let me just close this incognito mode, and let me just open this incognito mode over again, and now I've opened this incognito mode of fresh, so that means I'm not at enrolled on my website. Okay, so if I'm just going to my course over again, now I'm getting this message that you are not yet enrolled. Okay, so this is the message which we are supposed to show to the visitor. So now if I'm just coming over here, then it is showing this message, okay, because I'm a visitor. Now I will show you how to build a course. Click on the builder. Okay, so you can divide the course in terms of sections, and inside of the sections there are lessons. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. First of all, let me just create one section, and I will give the name to this section as introduction. I will say add new section heading, and then I'm having the lessons. I will say add new lesson, and over here I'm having these few lessons. Okay, so these are uh, links of my YouTube channel, and over here I'm having this many lessons. So I will choose this first lesson over here. I will edit, and I will say add lesson, and let me just add one more lesson. I will copy this. I will click on add new. I will give the title, whatever title I want to give. I will say add. So currently I'm having this one section, and inside of this one section I'm having these two lessons. I will say update, and if I'm just coming to the incognito mode, let me just refresh this. Now I'm having this course content. Over here I'm having this section heading as an introduction, and I'm having this two these lessons present. Okay, so inside of the lessons we could have chapters also. So let me just show you how to create those chapters. So now I will click on this arrow here, and I will expand this. Okay, so I will expand this lesson, and now I'll add one topic. I will say I will give the name to this topic as topic number 1, and I will say add topic. You can add quiz also, and I will click on add topic, and I will say topic number 2, and let me just update this. I'll come over here, and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now if I'm just expanding this, I'm having this topic number 1 and topic number 2 inside of this lesson. Okay, so now I will show you how to add content to these topics. So I'll come over here, and if suppose I want to add some content to this first topic, I will click on this edit. Now let me just open this link in the new tab. So whatever content that you want to add, you can add it over here. Okay, so if you want to display the headings, paragraph, so videos, images, you can just put it over here. So this is the topic number 1, and now let me just show you how to add the content. So I will click on this plus button over here, and I will add first paragraph over here. Hello guys, this is our first topic of lesson 1. Then I want to display the YouTube video. Okay, so I will click on this plus button over here, and I will search for YouTube. Okay, I want to display the YouTube video. Over here you just have to enter the embedded link. So I will add this first link which I have. Copy this, paste it over here, and click on embed. Okay, so now I have embedded one video. So now this is the video which will be shown. I will click on update. I will come over here, and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm expanding this. This is the first lesson. I will click on this first lesson, and it says hello guys, this is our first okay, so there is spelling mistake, and now I'm having this video over here. Okay, so once you complete watching this video, a student can click on the next topic to go to the next topic. So now if you want to add some more content like the images and all, then come down below, click on this edit button, or you can even click on this edit button. Okay, so add block button, whatever that is, click on add block, and whatever that you want to add, these are some of the options given over here. So these are learn dash options. Just search. Okay, if you want to display the image, click on image or gallery, text, media, or the text, whatever that you want to display, just display it. Let me just add one image. You can either upload the image from your PC, you can add it from the media library. Let me just select image from the media library. I will select this image. This is just for the tutorial purpose. I'm showing you all how to do this. Okay, so now I have displayed one image over here. I will click on update. Let me just come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm having this video, then I'm having this image. Whatever that you want to add, you can add it. If you want to add the list and all, then click on this add button and click on list. Then this is the list. Then these are some of the WooCommerce options also present. Okay, so you just have to know how to edit this stuff and structure your lessons. Now this lesson is edited, and I have also updated this, so I will close this tab. Then let me just go to the next topic. I will click on edit in the new tab. So now over here I will edit one image. I will use it from the media library. I will select this image. I will say select, and then down below I will come over here and click on edit, and now I will add one more YouTube video. And since this is my second topic, I will embed a different YouTube video over here. I will say embed. Click on update over here on the top. Now let me just go to my course and refresh this page. Okay, so once a student is done accessing the first topic, then this a student can directly click on next topic, and that student will be taken to the next topic which is present on your website. Then I'm having this featured image, then I'm having this lesson. That person could click on this and view the course content. That person can learn. Okay, and once that has been done, click on the next lesson, and that person could go to the next lesson. Okay, as of now there are no next lessons because we have not added any content. So this is how you have to structure your courses. Thanks for watching.